In this video, I'll show you how to schedule messages on Instagram. If you want to send scheduled messages, this tutorial is perfect for you. Just follow these simple steps and you'll be able to do it. Instagram has a great feature that lets you schedule messages. To start, launch the Instagram app and make sure you're logged into your account. Once you're in, you'll be on the home screen. To schedule a message, you need to go to the chat interface. Simply tap on the message icon at the top right corner of your screen. This will take you to the messaging screen where you'll see all your chats. Now tap on the chat of the person you want to send the scheduled message to. Once the chat opens, tap on the message bar at the bottom of the screen and type your message. When you're ready to schedule it, press and hold the send button. You'll then see an option to schedule the message. From here, you can choose the date and time. First, select the date by scrolling down to pick your preferred day. Then, choose the time by selecting the hour, scrolling up or down to adjust it. Next, select the minute, and again, scroll up or down to set the exact minute. Once you've selected the date and time, tap on the send button. You'll see the scheduled date and time displayed on the button. After you tap send, your message will be scheduled. You'll see it listed as a scheduled message in your chat. If you tap on it, you'll be able to review it, and it will be sent automatically at the time you chose. That's how you can schedule messages on Instagram. I hope this helps. If it did, consider subscribing my channel. It really supports me. Thanks for watching.